Hier zijn Demi, Hanne en R-City.
If I got locked away and we lost it all today, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same?
If I showed you my flaws, if I couldn't be strong, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same?
Right about now.
Yeah. If I jump for life, man, would you stay by my side? Or if you're gonna say goodbye? Hey, can you tell me right now? If I couldn't buy you the fancy things in life, Shawty, would it be alright? Come and show me that you do. Now tell me, would you really ride for me?
Would you really ride for me?
Tell me, would you die for me?
Tell me, would you die for
Would you
me?
spend your whole life with me? Would you be there to always hold me down? Tell me, would you really cry for me? Baby, don't lie to me. Hey.
If I didn't have anything, I wanna know, would you stick around? If I got locked away and we lost it all today, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same? If I showed you my flaws, if I couldn't be strong, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same?
Skiddly down, 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 down. All I want is somebody real who don't need much. A girl I know that I can trust. To be here when money low. If I did not have nothing else to give but love, would that even be enough? Tell me, I'm a girl, me need to know.
Now tell me, would you really ride for me?
Would you really ride for me?
Would you really die for me?
Tell me, would you die for me?
Spend your life with me.
What's up?
Would you be there to always hold me down?
Would you really cry for me?
Would you really cry for me?
Baby, don't lie to me.
Baby, don't lie to
If I
me.
didn't have anything,
I wanna know, would you stick around?
If I got locked away, we lost it all today. Tell me honestly, would you still love me the same? If I showed you my flaws, and if I couldn't be strong, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same?
Tell me, would you?
Want me?
Tell me, would you call me?
Call me.
If you knew I wasn't ballin', 'cause I need a girl who's always by my side. Tell me, would you need me?
Need me?
Tell me, would you love me? Or was you just trying to play me? 'Cause I need a girl to hold me down tonight. Ladies,
If I got locked away and we lost it all today,
Okay.
tell me honestly,
Tell me.
would you still love me the same?
I would still
if
love
I
you.
showed you my flaws,
Okay.
if I couldn't be strong,
what else?
tell me honestly,
You know it.
Would you still love me the same?
Whoa! R-City! Nice to have you on stage. Great, great, great. You're so famous. How is it to travel all over the world now?
Oh, it's a blessing, man. You know, like I said, we're from St. Thomas, Virgin Islands, a little small island, and we're just happy to be everywhere.
Ah, nou heb ik het al begrepen. Ze komen van een heel klein eilandje en ze vinden het ongelooflijk leuk om overal heen te gaan. How was it to work with these girls?
It was awesome. Please make some noise for these ladies.
And you like Belgium so far?
So far, it's a beautiful place. We've been having a great time.
Super. Okay, RC, thank you very much to be here in the show. See you the next time. And enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Good luck. Thank you so much. Wow. Jongens, dat is toch geweldig? Sta je zomaar naast een wereldhit. Gekke meiden. Woe! Karin, wat vond je van? Ik vond het te gek.
Ik ook. Wauw, wauw, wauw. Ik ben echt omvergeblazen door jullie alle vier. Ja, Demi, dit is echt helemaal jouw ding. Hè? Ik zag je genieten en het was fantastisch. Hanne, ik dacht, oei, dit is een beetje out of her comfort zone. En toch supergoed, want ik zag jou ook genieten. En ja, volgens mij hebben wij allemaal van genoten. Heel simpel. Ja, het was fantastisch.
Heerlijk om te horen. Josje.
Ja, wat wilde ik ook alweer zeggen? Ik vond het een heel goed optreden. Oh ja, ik zei in het filmpje van... je kan je ofwel omver laten blazen... ofwel je optrekken aan de artiest waarmee je op het podium staat. En ik denk dat jullie dat tweede hebben gedaan. Jullie hebben er echt aan opgetrokken. Het zijn 2 hele leuke, energieke boys ook. En jullie hebben je niet omver laten blazen. Dus het was heel fijn om te zien. Wat ik misschien nog wel leuk had gevonden... was als jullie samen iets aan een choreootje in elkaar hadden gestoken of zo. Omdat als die boys aan het zingen waren, was het... Ja, stonden jullie daar toch bij.
Dat Luna Park, dat is hier
Oh,
een
Josje.
lawaai maken. En
Ja,
alles.
Josje
Dat
valt
is
Goed, Josje.
Ja.
Het is dat je je fiets mee had genomen, maar het zijn je oorbellen.
Ja, het zijn ook beren.
Dat
Het is helemaal in thema.
Goed, ja.
Josje valt volledig uit elkaar.
Anyway, ik vond het een topoptreden. Dat wou ik eigenlijk zeggen.
Super. Ik vond het superleuk hoor. Jullie deden het fantastisch. Dankjewel.